Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. So VeChain is coming back deeper into the possible trend reversal area where VeChain has a chance to reverse. The fact that it broke below the 50% fib level makes it very likely that it will now finish this wave two, basically in one go. Before we talked about possibly seeing something like a bit of a bounce from here, so that this would be possibly an A wave, that we might get a B wave and then come down in C. But it seems to me that it's doing this sort of in one go. And yeah, the support area here, by the way, this is the chair making strange noises. We come down into the support area now, and the fact that it broke below the 50% fib level also indicates that we have a good chance now to reach the 61.8 fib next. So far we haven't called out any bottom or anything here, but this is generally the area where it has a good chance to reverse. I think now that it's coming down below the 50% fib, there's a really good chance, reasonable chance, that it will reach sort of here the previous wave 4. Yeah, wave 2s tend to come back to the wave 4s. I mean, today we see a bit of selling pressure because we had a bit of a hawkish session there with Jerome Powell. And I think that sort of wasn't priced in properly yet into the markets. But either way, nothing that would be outside of the scenario, so it's all fine. What we can do though, we can try to see if we can add this parallel trend channel. Yeah, so I've already have a trend line up here. Oops, 1 second. So if we see if we can add this parallel or this corrective price channel, because you can do that with Elliott wave. This channeling technique can give you a guide where the C wave, or in this case actually the wave Y, might end. So we've got the wave W, we've got the X wave, and then you connect the beginning of the wave W with the end of the X wave, and then you draw a parallel channel, add it to the wave W, and you get a possible end for the Y wave, and that would be sort of just below the 61.8 fib. Now, we don't always get there, but it's a nice guide to have, okay? So that's what I'm watching. Certainly doesn't look like we've bottomed yet. Yeah, I mean, we've just now only entered the support area, and upside potential into the, I think 4.5–5 cent region is valid as long as we're holding 1.9 cents. So below 1.9, we need to activate here a more bearish scenario, which can always happen, so be prepared for that. Don't go all in, don't do any risky stuff here. It's all about managing your risk, being clear about your trading plan, being clear about your trading positions and position sizes here, yeah? And when this scenario is going to fail. So for now, looking at this pullback, yeah, depending on how low we go, let's say we come down to the 61.8 retracement, then the target for the third wave would be here the 1.618 extension. We talk about 4.99 cents. So at least, yeah, but only really if we hold the 1.9 cent level. Always need to add that as well. Yeah, always need to add that to this scenario. Yeah, and that's where we are currently here with VeChain. Nothing to add really. It's following the trend channel, and as long as we are in the trend channel, we probably have to give preference to the trend, which is currently down. Yeah, but next target would then be the 2.189 cent level, 61.8 fib, and that's sort of in a similar range to the lower boundary line of the trend channel. Okay, that's my update about VeChain. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.